What's going on, Spartans? This is Miss Saffron, one of the world geography teachers. I hope that you are staying safe and healthy over this extended spring break period. Because we're about to go on to online learning next week, I wanted to go over where you can access all of the lessons, all of the Nearpods, all the quizzes that you're going to be expected to do over the next few weeks that we're out of school. So first, if you're on your homepage on Canvas, where do you start? Best place to start is your calendar. So if you go all the way to the left side of your screen and you click on calendar, you'll notice that we updated the calendar where we have 2 spring breaks because we did have an extended spring break that we are currently in. And then you'll see how we updated the topics. So on Monday the 23rd, which is the first day that you're supposed to do online learning, you have a South Asia maps on Quizlet. That is your first assignment. And then you'll see on Tuesday we have Nearpod notes over South Asia physical geography. On Wednesday we have HEI. You have a self-check quiz on Thursday, and then Nearpod notes again. So as we're out of school these next couple of weeks, I would always refer to the calendar so you know what day you're supposed to be doing certain topics on. Word of advice is don't get so far ahead. In fact, we're only going to open up each module per week. That way you don't get so far ahead that you forget things by the time we get back to school. So the expectation is that you do all the assignments, you do all of the readings, you do all of the Nearpods. We've made it pretty simple. We've cut out all the fluff. We gave you the bare minimum of what you need. That way you can feel confident when you come back, hopefully on April 13th. All right, now where do you find the online learning? So if you go back to your courses or to your dashboard, you're going to go back to your world geography course, your favorite course, and you're going to go to modules on your left side. This modules link is going to be your best friend. So click on modules, and you'll see not only our expectations in case you need to go back over that, but you'll see the first week of online learning. It's labeled South Asia Online Learning. We are starting a new unit. So that's really helpful for our calendar and for you. Everything starts fresh for academic world geography. So when you go into the module, you'll notice little pages or links. This first page is just how to do online learning and what the expectations are, plus this video. The second link is your first assignment that was on the calendar. So that first assignment is called South Asia Physical Geography Mapping Practice. So if you click on that, you'll notice that it is just a couple Quizlets of the physical geography map. So instead of you actually having to label and color maps, instead you're just practicing where the locations are, and then you can play little matching games so that you really get that information in your brain. Once you feel comfortable with that, you click next at the bottom, and then it moves you on to the South Asia political mapping practice, where you're, again, just practicing the location of places and practicing where they're at through little games. And then that's all you have to do on Monday. Pretty easy peasy, and you should be done within 15-20 minutes tops. So then when you log in on Tuesday, you go back to modules, or you can go back to this page and you click on next, and you'll notice we have our first Nearpod. So what we did is we literally put the same Nearpods you would have gotten in class. We just embedded them online, and all of your Nearpods are self-paced. So you can go back and forth on the Nearpod, look at pictures, you can take notes. I would definitely take notes so that you can review the information better and faster. And that will only help you when we get back to school. So once you're done looking at the physical geography notes, you click next for the next day. And then we have HEI in South Asia. So we have a Nearpod, and this is a different kind of Nearpod. This is one that has videos embedded. So you want to make sure that you kind of preview the Nearpods to make sure that you need sound or not. You watch all the videos. You can take notes if you want. And then at the top, I've got 2 links. You can either open up the Word document that allows you to edit, and you can type your answers into the Word document if that helps you better. Or you can open up the PDF file and read the readings and do the check for understanding questions on your own sheet of paper. If you're doing everything on Canvas on your smartphone, most smart devices do open up PDF files. You just cannot edit them. So once you're done with that, on Thursday, you're going to be taking your first quiz. So you're going to click next. Wait for it to load. Your first quiz is not loaded yet, but you will see it when it's loaded. It will be untimed, and it will be the same quiz that we would have taken in class over the Nearpods and the readings that are from the previous days. You will get the answers at the end of the quiz just so that you can see how you did and what you need more practice on. We cannot guarantee that these quizzes are graded, but I would always assume everything you're doing during this time period can be taken for a grade. We can go back and pull grades from the quizzes, so just assume that everything's for a grade and try your best always. So then again, you click next, and then on Friday, you have 3 Nearpods that you need to read through about South Asia religions and the caste system. And then that's your week. So towards the end of the week, we will open up the next round of lessons for week 2 that were out. So again, you'll go back to modules. And just giving you a tour of the modules. After you go through the online learning, you can access other notes and documents. So if you go to unit resources, if you click on that link right there, you can access all of the assignments or notes and documents that we have done for every single unit that we have studied. So if you go down to South Asia, you can click on that. It opens up to a Google Drive that anybody with the link has access to. And you can see all of the PowerPoints, all of the activities that we took out, all of the readings, maps, everything are there for you. Even the test review is already there for you. A lot of students don't realize that we've been doing that all year. Well, here it is. Surprise! So again, you can find that by going through modules. So if we go back to modules, we've also kept all of the Kahoot quizzes. You can access the textbook by clicking right here. You can go back and open up all the Kahoot quizzes and practice if you want. You can go and look at videos that we put together for each region up to South Asia. You can practice map stuff that will help you get better at mapping. So again, modules is going to be your best friend, especially with the online learning modules, because that is going to be the part that you're going to be most responsible for. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email your teacher. We will be accessing Canvas and our emails throughout the week, and any geography teacher can help you through these times. Hopefully, again, we will see you on April 13th. If not, we will continue the online learning. And once we get more information about grades and how things are going to roll out, we will definitely let you know. But please have fun with it, be responsible, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye, Spartans.